Hello? Hello, is this recording? I think you're recording. This is Timmy, and I'm taking you sea kayaking today. That's what we're doing. We're taking these here sea kayaks out. Thank you to my friend Trip for loaning them out, trusting us with his really nice fiberglass boats. I'm recording this on my brand new Sony a7 III camera with a Sony 20mm 1.8 G lens. Should be crystal clear. I hope it is. This is Little Satan, my $600 car. It's a Toyota All-Track. It's a pretty good car. Anyway, we're getting loaded up. Truck house is staying behind. I'm gonna take you guys out to Prince William Sound. And this is the first vlog I've done on this new camera. You're gonna start seeing this quality video from here on out. So that's all I gotta say. Let's go. All right, we're loaded. Let's go. Hello. What do you guys think of this new camera? Say something in the comments. I want to know if the clarity looks good. It's so pretty out. Could not have picked a better weekend to go sea kayaking. The snow is melting. It's so pretty. Oh, that's kind of where we're going. Over those mountains. It's Prince William Sound. We're here. Oh. Pretty nice spot. There's the river right there. And yeah, it's still May, so you guys can see there's snow. This is why I love Little Satan over there. Plows through stuff like that. It's all-wheel drive. Anyway, we're gonna camp here tonight. I think we're gonna set up a tent right up here. So one of the best parts about having a camper and using a truck camper is you don't have to unpack everything when you get to camp and set it up and then break it down in the morning. But since we're car camping this weekend, we have to get everything out and set up the tent. One thing that's cool about camping this time of year is you don't necessarily need a cooler. You either get the river or you can just do that. My favorite beer. Botabucks. We were waiting on our friend Matt to show up. You guys all know Matt. Anyway, yeah, we're gonna go enjoy a drink at the water. Beautiful evening, Portage River. Not too shabby. It's pretty cool. The rivers are actually starting to open up here, so we're gonna be paddling really shortly. Pretty stoked. Oh. Show everyone where we're going tomorrow. Yeah, we're starting in Whittier over there, and then paddling about 8 miles out past Shotgun Cove, out to Decision Point. This isn't a secret area. This is a really well-known camping spot. So there's Maddie. He's like he just got out of the studio.
Probably listen to the Big Fat Buddha CD.
Yep, I bet he is. I bet he has some Big Fat Buddha going right now. Oh, let's go watch him go through the snow. Mr. Snowman. He got that camper for $4,000 bucks, $3,500 bucks, some kind of crazy good deal. Hot dog stick. Hot dog time. This wood's gonna burn fast. Wow. Seconds jump.
You need one if you want to whittle it down more. hard in the tip.
It's a pretty bendy stick. What about this one?
We've got kind of a flaccid one.
That's your fault.
What? You carved the stick? Those beer broads your dad brought from Wisconsin?
Oh, the
Or that you brought? Did you bring those back from Wisconsin?
My dad hasn't been up here.
Yeah. Crazy good.
Pass the meat tube.
Oh yeah.
Tube of meat. There's a tube of meat.
And some beer and then just brought them with him.
What? Just missed it. You burned?
Went right in my...
Ice cold. Good morning, everyone. We're gonna pack up the tent and head to Whittier. Let's go. I have not had this stuff yet, but we're gonna give it a go. It's supposed to be pretty good.
Ow.
Smoking bagel. Good morning. Pretty good.
So if you see the green light, go
Okay.
for it. If not, lane one, sir.
Okay. Well, thank you. How much is Whittier Tunnel now? It's $12.
13.
13? It went up $1. Through the Whittier Tunnel. I think this is the longest tunnel in North America. I think. Almost positive it is. But I'm not right most of the time, so. Right. Here we are in Whittier. A creepy old building. Like it should be in a horror movie or something. We made it. It is snowy, but sunny, and really, 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 really windy. So, I don't know. We're gonna have to hike the sea kayaks through the snow here, get down to the water. I don't know if you can see it, but it's definitely white capping pretty bad down there, but we'll find out. It's a little bit windy. So we're getting packed up. We're only going overnight, so not that long, but got all your paddling gear, got dry bags to put everything in. A couple camp chairs, some essentials over here. So this is a Garmin InReach, so if something bad happens, you can text through satellite reception, which is pretty sweet. Flying dry bag. Whoa. This might be interesting. Get a 44 mag for bear protection, little headlamp, it's Olight, these things are pretty sweet. A whole bunch of water, paddling gear, and a whole bunch of warm stuff. Alright, we're doing a little tester. The wind is blowing pretty strong, probably 15 miles an hour out there. It's supposed to be 20 or higher than 20 tomorrow, so we're gonna do a little test run and see how it is before we get out into it. Well, the wind is blowing a little too much. We tried a little test paddle and it was, I don't want to say sketchy, but the wind's supposed to blow harder tomorrow and that might be sketchy, so I think we're going to make a smart decision and probably not paddle 8 miles out there with the wind and have to turn around and try to fight it tomorrow if it's going to be worse. And it's kind of white capping out there, which is also not a good sign. On to the next adventure. Dun, 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 dun. And we're we're back through. That was a pretty epic fail. Weather was bad. We called it just to be safe. Now we're gonna go do something else. All right, take two. We're gonna go out to Portage Lake and head out that way. All right, here we go. Gorgeous, gorgeous afternoon out. We're heading, it's kind of back towards Portage Glacier in the background. Pretty nice out. I think this looks like the icebergs are gonna stop us a little sooner than we expected though. Couldn't ask for a better day out here. That's all I'm gonna say. And we're back safely from the day. Still a good day. We did not get to go out to the spot where we're gonna camp out in Prince William Sound. We just made the call. The weather's supposed to take a turn for the worse tomorrow, and just didn't want to take a chance, just trying to be safe, you know? But anyway, still an awesome day. I guess that's a wrap. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to smash the like button down there and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more of my content, and see you on the next one. Peace, y'all.